Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Robinhood to your US bank account, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from Robinhood to your US bank account, start by opening the Robinhood app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the account icon at the bottom right corner of the app. Tap on the account icon to access your account settings. From the account menu, select Transfers. In the Transfers section, find and tap on Withdraw Funds. You will see the available cash balance for withdrawal. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure to review any withdrawal limits or fees that may apply. After entering the desired amount, select your linked bank account. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to do this first. To link a new bank account, follow the prompts to enter your bank details and verify your account. Once you've selected the bank account for withdrawal, confirm the transaction. Review the withdrawal summary for accuracy before finalizing. After confirming, your withdrawal request will be submitted. Funds may take a few business days to appear in your bank account. You can check the status of your withdrawal in the History section of the app. Be sure to keep an eye on your bank account during this time for the incoming transfer. Once the funds are deposited, you can access them directly from your bank account. Follow these steps to successfully withdraw money from Robinhood to your US bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.